Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to add a clock widget in Widgetable. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you of course have, and download the Widgetable application. When you need that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Widgetable, or you can go and join it as a guest. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see here, we have the Explore tab, we have the Wallpaper tab, and we have the More tab where you can go and see a lot of different things that you can go and check out about your profile. But now guys, let's go and focus and see how you can actually go and add a clock widget in Widgetable. So the first thing that you need to do, guys, is be on the featured screen. So this is a good screen. So we have lock screen, lab, pet, everything you need to be on the featured screen. And let's go and scroll down now. Now you just need to scroll down and find the clock widget. So we're scrolling down, and it will be somewhere here. Just a second. Here it is, the clock widget. You can clock, flip clock, so different kind of clocks. Click on the clock widget. Here you can put a background. You can put the text color, border, so everything you can go and put and customize as you of course would like. When you put everything, you just need to go and click on save, and your new widget will be saved. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, put the notifications on, and guys, of course, subscribe to the channel. Of course, guys, if you can do this, this will be pretty cool because it will be really good for our channel. And guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.